Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the day 6 of celebrating International Women's Day with Born Pretty, and I'll be creating a beautiful design today as well. I'll be using the jelly nude from Born Pretty and also their white gel polish to create an abstract nail art, and I'll be showing you how to do this. So kindly watch till the end and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this set. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I've applied the base coat and I've cured for 60 seconds, and I'll be applying the jelly nude gel polish. Also, I'll be applying the first coat, cure for 60 seconds, apply the second coat, cure also for 60 seconds before we start creating the abstract nail art. Like I said earlier in my previous videos, there's going to be sales going on the Born Pretty website. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box so you can click on the link to get items at discounted prices on the website. I'm also going to be leaving my coupon code, which is Glitterspolish, so you can get discounts on any item you might want to purchase on the website. This jelly nude gel polish I'm using is part of the recent PR package I received from Born Pretty, and honestly it's a very beautiful nude. You know, everyone that's seen it at my nail lounge has told me that I should keep it for them, I should not use for any other person, but you know, there's no way I can do that because I have just one. So I've told them when it finishes, it finishes, and I'm also going to make sure I buy more from the website so I can have it as well. This is also the first time I'm seeing a nude that is very nude, and it is the nude for a dark skinned person. Don't forget to watch this to the end, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll talk to you again in my next video. So while you watch the mini video, I'm going to be leaving you a song, a cover song by Christine Ini. Bye guys, and stay blessed.
Wavy. On and on. It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I might need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body, yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking, cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body, yeah. You don't need no other, baby, baby. Everybody used to say No one loves you like this. No one wants you the same way. up till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. So I gave you all you need, gave you all you need, gave you all, and you give me all you need, give you all you need, gave you all, make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my, only you feel my, only you feel my body, yeah. You don't need no other, baby boy. I want you there, but I want you there. Promise to treat your love fair. Whoa, 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 whoa. When we touch, how we connect, how we connect. Said this love have no regret. You don't need no other, you don't need no other. Only you feel my body, and you are that somebody, yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body, yeah. Wavy. Biggie waist, fine face, 10 days, I done the wait for you, my charge, for you, my charge. You want a form, no case, I no go talk, Scarface for you, my charge, for you, my charge. Said take me anywhere you want to go. Show me everything I wanna know, no lie. No, no lie. I said, oh, run 'em anyhow you want to run. Shake 'em, baby girl, you fire past your gun, no doubt. No, no doubt. But you say, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Yeah, all the quite risky. You know I go 50-50. Yes, your body risky. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Hey, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. You know I'm going 50-50 risky.